Hello, welcome back to Igbo Language Simplified. Today we want to learn common words starting with the Igbo S letter, which is pronounced as C. Let's begin. C, sweetie. Sweetie means sweet. Sweetie. Sweetie. Sweetie, sweet. Sweetie. Cigar, cigar means cigarettes. Cigar. 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 Suo, ọ na-asụ akwa. Suo means to wash. Aqua is clothes. Suo, to wash. Suo, to wash. Suo. Socks. Socks means socks. It's the same pronunciation but different spelling with the English socks. 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 Snow. Snow is snow in Igbo language. Snow, the same spelling and the same pronunciation. Snow. Snow. Please try and repeat those words so that you can master them. Snow. Snow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.